like Nintendo blind. On the real though, she was on my mind when I wrote this song, dog. Told my friend about her. He said, yo, bro, focus on your dreams. You know that you broke. She's out of your league. Angeke afford it. She gon' break your heart and ubuye ubange isef. Thando lwangempela litholakali nowadays. Babheka ukuthi ubani unani futhi uhamba ngani. And I was like, yeah, true, but mamela boy, this one is heaven sent. Ingelozi wehlukile. She's very humble, very contained, akaphaphile. Not the type engena social media post izinqa. She's a boss lady dog, not indoda must. We all need love after all and it's a must. I've been hurt before but ithi ngizama kwama last. Matter of fact, lona ngizomshada ngo-August.
On you, I knew you were the one. My better half on my back. Together we always run. Chase the sunset, you my vision, and I'm never going blind. Even hard to think my days without you. We scheme some. My slang is on my loom. I'm ready to quit the game. Double you up on my name. Since I met you, nothing else been the same. Man begging when all I see is now ladies in your eyes. Cross my heart, I hope to die. I hope I'll never make you cry. See you and I meant to be together. That's no lie. That's alright. Bonnie and Clyde, always ride or die. You keep me fly till the end of time. Promise me that you'll be mine. Tell them they can keep the fame. You my girl. You know you always have my heart. Fuck the world, man, I tell I knew that I